y'all, it's Alexis. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a cute little DIY lash install. So yes, I'm a lash artist, but I don't like nobody playing around my eyes. Like I can't go to sleep. I'm not even gonna say I don't like nobody playing around my eyes. I can't go to sleep, so I can't sit nowhere and lay for 2 hours. So maybe, yeah, no, it just doesn't work for me. I need to be able to go to sleep, get comfortable, wake up, like laying there with my eyes closed for 2 hours, and you ain't saying nothing, I ain't saying nothing. It just ain't gonna work for me. So it's just better that I just do it myself. Every time, I believe it's been about one time I've done my lashes and I actually liked what they did. So I'm not really too pressed about it anyway. So I'm using the Fossy Pisa, that one for my shorter limbs. And then I'm using Yamaka, can you see it? For my longer lengths. And I'm using lengths 10, 14. Ooh, I'm running out of 14s. That's a 10. I'm using 12, 14, and 16. I've noticed that when I use a shorter length, you know, very cute, very demure, very classy. It just gives exactly what it's supposed to give. So if this is something you would be interested in watching, let's get it right into it. So I haven't really figured out how I'm gonna do this. Do I want to zoom in? I don't know. Like I can't, cause it just messes up the quality when I zoom in. So I don't be liking it. So as far as glue, I use the 3D strip lash adhesive by Kiss. I don't like the applicator. I don't like the applicator because it is this. I like the glue, I just don't like the applicator. So I just use, like, once this got gone, I just used the little spoolie that it comes with. It came with these lashes. So let's get into that. So pretty much what I do, I take a handheld mirror. Well, not a handheld mirror, but you know, take that mirror and I have it like kind of like up underneath me. And I'll take the glue. Like I open my eye. And I'll stick it at the bottom. Ooh, my eye's watering. Yeah, and I'll stick it at the bottom. I be wanting to do the whole thing, but it just don't. It don't do what I needed to do. So sometimes I start with the inner corner, sometimes I just do the outer corner. It just depends on what I'm feeling for the day. Y'all let me know how the quality of this sounds today. I got a new mic. So y'all let me know what it sounds like. Like when I feel like the quality that I had, that's cute. Y'all see that? That was a 16. I do 3 16s. Let's pop them. That's cute. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay, that works. What do this eye? And then I put one on Ooh. Let me pull my mirror up so I can see. And then I put one on this end to make it a little full on the end. Y'all see that? And then I go in with 2 14s. I think I got enough glue. Y'all see that? And then I start going in with the 12s. If y'all hear a lot of noise, my neighborhood, they just have a lot going on outside. So please excuse it. They're like fixing up my next door. And they just be making a whole bunch of noise. Okay, y'all see that? Okay, and then I go back in with a little bit more glue for the inner corner. I just try to lift my lash. Okay, and for the last 3, I just do, I believe it's 2 or 3. I go in with 2 12s. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, very cute. That's really cute. So this is the finished look on this side. No eye. Y'all, I woke up the other morning and this was on my face, and I've yet to figure out what it is. Like on the first day it was kind of itching, so I felt like something had bit me. But I don't know. It's just not cute. But when I put on makeup, you really don't see it. Yeah, I've taken allergy medicine. I put some itch cream on it. Thought maybe it's a fungus. I don't know. Like, I don't know what it is, but nothing is making it go away. So, and I could have just scratched myself, so that could be, because I'm real bad at, I be in my eyes like bad. So now we zoom back out. Yeah, so this time I think, yeah, I'm gonna just work a little faster. Cause I hate on my left eye. That's my worst eye. It be giving. I don't want to do this no more. Ooh. Yeah. Like it don't lay like I need it to lay. So then for this eye, for the 16, I go a little past that last corner. 16. Okay, and then I go back to the outer corner. Oh, it's a shadow. It's about to irritate me. Yeah, like, okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I was having the same problem yesterday, but I didn't have a lot of room on my countertop in my bathroom. It was really irritating me. Ooh, don't seem like it's on the right. That's so cute. And then 2, and that'll be your body. Is that too obvious? 14, just 2 of them. I'm a little hungry. I got a client at 4. I think it might be a good idea. Dog, 4 o'clock got here so quick. They got here quick. Yeah, I need to give me some food. You got late fast. I got up like super early today. Like I was a girl, she had bought a wig from me, and so I got up for that. But I usually get up super early, but today I felt like I needed a nap. So after I cleaned up and everything, I got back in the bed. Not really got back in the bed, like I laid across the bed. And did it go down? It did. Yeah, it's like, why you? Yeah, felt like that going down. It slid down some. And that's it. Yeah, those are so pretty. Yeah, and that's literally. Ooh, okay. But yeah, that's literally all that I do. Real simple. And I use the remover. If it's not in the middle of the night, if it's in the middle of the night, yeah, I mean I can be stains out. But if I do it the right way, I just use the remover that came with one of the lash sets. Why does it keep going down? Thank y'all so much for watching. That's it. I really enjoyed y'all today, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Check my technique.